Day 7, number 327 and 328 of 1001 solved problems in engineering mathematics. So this is all about circles. Okay, so number 327, a circle with radius 6 centimeters has half of its area removed by cutting off a border of uniform width. Find the width of the border. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so let us draw first the figure. So we have circle of radius 6 centimeters. And then half of its area removed by cutting off a border of uniform width. Okay, so this will be our figure. So the bigger circle, so this is the bigger circle. Let the area of the bigger circle be A. Okay? And the radius, a circle with radius 6 centimeters. So this will be the radius of the bigger circle. The radius be 6. Okay, so let big R is equal to 6 centimeters. And this will be the radius of the smaller circle. So let the radius of the smaller circle be R. Okay? And we want to find the width. Find the width of the border. So this is the width of the border. Let the width be X. Since the border has uniform width. So all this part has X centimeters. Okay? So to find the width of the border, we can just subtract the value of X will be subtract from the bigger radius 6 minus the smaller radius R. Okay? So but first we need to find the value of the small radius. So we will use the info about the bigger circle. The bigger circle with radius 6 centimeters has half of its area removed by cutting off a border of uniform width. So that means the area of the shaded part, so let the area of the shaded part be A sub 2 and the area of the smaller circle be A sub 1. And A sub 2 and A sub 1 should be equal because according to the problem, half of its area removed by cutting off a border of uniform width. So the total area of the bigger circle is equal to A sub 1 plus A sub 2. So area 2, this part, the shaded part, equals the area of the smaller circle. Okay? So let's find the area of the bigger circle, the A. So area of the bigger circle is equal to, the formula for area is pi r squared. Okay? And then the area of the smaller circle, A sub 1 is equal to pi r squared. So for the bigger, we have the value of r. The value of r is 6. So given the radius is 6 centimeters. So we have pi times 6 squared. So therefore, the area of the bigger circle is 6 squared. So we have 36 pi. Okay? And then for a sub 2, we can solve the value of a sub 2. The area of this the shaded part. So we have a circle with radius 6 centimeters has half of its area removed. So therefore, a sub 2 is equal to 1/2 the area of this bigger circle. And the area of the bigger circle is 36 pi. So therefore, a sub 2 is equal to 1/2 of this 36 pi. So therefore, a sub 2 is equal to 1/2 of 36 pi. That is equal to 18 pi. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Just copy the pi. And then from the figure, we know that a sub 1 is equal to a sub 2. So therefore, just equate this since they are both 1/2. 1/2 of the total area of the bigger circle. So just equate this, we can solve the value of r. So we have pi r squared is equal to 18 pi. Divide both sides by pi, or we can simply cancel the pi. And then we can solve the value of r. Just get the square root of both sides. So get the square root of both sides. So therefore, the value of the radius is Square root of 18, that is equal to, square root of 18 is 4.24. Okay? 4.24 centimeters. So if we press that on our calculator, 18, and then we have the square root of 18. So we have 4.24, round up to decimal places. So 4.24. And then subtract it to this. X is equal to 6 minus r. So if we subtract, we can now get the value of x. So we have 6 minus 4.24, and the width of the border will be, if we subtract this, the answer is 1.76 centimeters, and that is letter A, 1.76 centimeters. Okay, so next number 328. The area of a circle is 89.42 square inches. What is its circumference? Okay, so just use the direct formula. No need to draw the circle. So we have given the area of a circle is 89.42 square inches. So the formula for area of circle is pi r squared. So we want to find the circumference. What is the circumference? The formula for circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay? So just by direct substitution, the area is 89.42. Just substitute. So we have 89.42 square inches equals pi r squared. So to find the circumference, just solve for the radius of this circle, and then after finding the radius, substitute to the formula for circumference. Okay? So we'll just use our calculator. So divide both by pi. Divide both by pi so that we can cancel this and then get the square root of both sides. So we have 89.42 over pi. Get the square root of both sides. Okay, so therefore, the value of r is equal to, so we have 89.42 divided by pi. Okay, so this is the pi. And then press equal sign, and then we get the square root. So square root of answer is 5.33. But we will use this exact value. Okay, so I will just write 5.33 here. 5.33, the value of our radius, but we will use all the numbers. So just substitute here. So we have 2 times pi times the radius, 5.33. Okay, so again, use the calculator. So we have 5.33 here. We will use all the values of this and then multiply to 2 pi. So multiply to 2 pi. So we have times 2 and then times pi. So this is the pi. Press equal sign. So the answer is 33.52. So we should use all the values to get the answer 33.52. Because if we just use 5.33, the answer is not in the choices. Okay? So therefore, the answer is 33.52, round up to decimal places, 0.52 inches. So the correct answer is letter B, 33.52. So that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this, and see you on my next video about 1001 solved problems in engineering mathematics. Bye-bye.